Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to promote JVZoo products in 5 steps. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well. And if those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. That being said, let's go ahead and get into how to promote JVZoo products. I'm going to give you 5 steps. This is another affiliate marketing platform, just like ClickMagic. So there's a lot of things are similar, but some things are different. First thing, just like with ClickMagic, you want to pick a niche. And the 3 that I recommend are the 3 most profitable, which are going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And that is because people have the most problems in those areas, so that's the areas that you can sell the most products in. So the second thing is you want to pick a product. So we're going to go over how to do that. And I recommend picking one that has upsells, recently released, because the information is not going to be outdated, and then a low refund rate so people don't refund on it. And so let's go ahead and go to the JVZoo platform here. Of course, it's free to sign up. Once you get in here, you're going to want to go under affiliates right here and find products. So let's do that first. You can search by category, or you can search if you know a product that you're wanting to get approval for. And that's the difference too between ClickMagic and JVZoo, is that you do have to request approval to get your affiliate link, whereas ClickMagic you don't have to do that. But if we just search by find products, you can see all these products that come up, the launch date, so you can see how old the product is, how many have been sold, what the conversion rate is, the earnings per click, the average price per sale, the percentage of your commissions, and then what the refund rate is. You want to keep that pretty low. I would say at least below 5%. So you can see a lot of these are older products. But if we scroll down, you can find some that are in 2018. You can see, let's see the conversions on that, the average price. So you can just look through all the products here. You can do it by category here. So let's just say we were looking for internet marketing, e-commerce, if we're in the make money online niche. So you could search by that and see what products come up here. Looks like my computer's running a little slow this morning. Here we go. So these are all the ones in e-commerce or the make money online niche. You can do it that way, or you could come over to products and look at the launch list. So the products that are going to be coming out, you could do some launch jacking, and then you could go under top sellers and find all the top sellers here. So they have a list of all the top 10 sellers. So let's just say we're going to go back to find products. Let's say we're going to pick some sort of video software to promote. And I'll show you how to get your affiliate link. Basically, you're just going to click on request approval. So let's say we're going to promote this product right here. You're going to click on request approval, and then you will click this here and write a little blurb on why you want to promote this product. I would say something like I'm interested in doing a review video on this, and I've seen that people get approved quicker if they do like a little video and put it in here. So that's basically all you got to do for that to get approval. And then you don't want to send it directly, just like ClickMagic, you don't want to send it directly to a sales page. So I recommend creating a lead capture page, and I'll leave a a link in the description below the video. I've done a video on exactly how to create a lead capture page. So I'll put that in the description below, as well as then after you create the lead capture page, you want to make sure you connect it to an autoresponder and add the follow-up messages, which most of the time, I would say almost 100% of the time, they have email swipes that you can use in their JV page right here. And you can load those up into your autoresponder, whether you have GetResponse or Aweber. And that way, when someone opts in, they'll get your messages that go out, because people don't necessarily buy in the first exposure. And that way you can follow up with them, not only with the product that you're promoting, but other JVZoo products down the road that are related to that you can make sales from. So that way you don't lose that visitor, you're able to keep in contact with your customer. And then the fifth thing, of course, is after you set all that up, you got your affiliate link, you want to make sure that you run traffic to it, obviously. And I would say the best way is free YouTube traffic. So to create a YouTube channel, and I'm going to give you an example here. Let's say your niche is make money online and you choose a product on video marketing. Start a YouTube channel, and then you can, of course, ask for a demo copy and do a review on the product, show how it works, and then have a link in the description below the video to sell it that way. That's what a lot of people do. But you can also start a YouTube channel about video marketing and do tutorials on different technical aspects, or just different things that people have questions about for video marketing, or questions about something that's related to the product that you're promoting. And then you can have a call to action at the end of your video. If you want to learn how to automate your video marketing, click on the link in the description below the video. So you can do it that way, as well as doing a product review on the actual product name. So if you're going to do video robot commercial review, you can do that and show how the product works. But also another idea for you, so you're not just stuck on one particular product, you could, let's say you're doing video marketing, it's going to be your product. If you have a tool called ClickMagic, this is a tracking tool, you can easily switch out the links in the description below your video. So let me show you what I mean by that. You put in a domain name here. My domain name is Freedom from Workdays. So let's say you could put in here video, top video recommendation or something like that. Oh, that's too long. Top video recommend. And then your link name is going to be like something that your prospects don't see this, but you could just put in video so you know what it is about. And then right here, put your primary URL. That's going to be the link to whatever product that you're promoting, but you can easily switch this link out. So let's say in all your videos you have in the description below your video, top video recommend. Well, maybe you want to promote a different video software and test it out and see how many of that sells as opposed to another product. So you can put down here a different affiliate link, and you can just rotate those through and see which ones convert the best. So that way you're not just stuck to selling one product. You'll have that, you can easily switch that out in the description below your video just by switching out the link in ClickMagic. So I hope that makes sense to you. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. And that's basically all you would do with that's how you promote JVZoo products. Very similar to ClickBank. It's just different in how you find the products and how you request permission to promote them and get your affiliate link. So hopefully you guys found some value in this video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and like I said, if you have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, this is Karen Mero signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.